Throughout the unit, over this term, we're going to be following a little bit of a journey, and this diagram shows us where we're heading. Firstly, we want to understand the Weimar Republic, and we've been looking at democracy so far. The Weimar Republic, its nature and its challenges. What was it like? What were the problems it faced? From there, we're going to look at the very nature of the Nazi Party and the tactics and strategies it used when it was opposing the Weimar government during the 1920s, essentially, 1919 to 1933. We're then going to look at how Hitler and the Nazis came to power in 1933. And that's a good transition for us to look at how they built a totalitarian state. So next we look at the understanding the nature of that NSDAP, one-party, totalitarian police state. What was it like? What were its features? How did it operate in those areas? And then lastly, we're going to wrap up the unit by looking at the consequences of this regime. Now that goes beyond 1939. It necessarily means we've got to look at 1940s, World War II, 1939 to 45, the Nazi regime at war, its defeat in the war, the Holocaust and the legacy of the Nazis after that. But our main focus really is 1919 to 1939, between the two world wars. Think about these last two big questions as underpinning our learning journey. What were the factors between 1918 and 1933 that led to the Nazis' ascent to power? And what were the most significant features of the regime when it was in power? And that is an overview of our course, where we're heading, and some of the terms in which I'd like you already to start to spend a little bit of time to study, and what we'll be talking about in class.